Alright, y'all, so y'all already know we're getting straight into it. My lovely cousin here went through some health issues that had her bed bound, and so these are the results of it. So don't judge her, okay? But we here to make her even more beautiful, okay? And we're going to be attaching some locks. It's just going to be sped up right here, but you'll be able to see how I achieved reattaching her locks back in the front. So yeah, but you can see back here where some of her locks, had to actually get combined together, so they're much bigger than the other ones, because they were falling out because she couldn't tend to them. Okay, so what I did here, I actually let her hair dry, because you want to do this on dry hair. You do not want to do it on wet hair. Wet hair is fragile, so you want to make sure that the hair is dry before you try to attach the locks and everything. That's even if you're doing like lock extensions, repairing locks. But if you pulling out the tube, make sure the hair is dry, baby. Okay. So what you see I'm doing is I am taking the crochet hook. I think this is a 2-prong crochet hook that I have in my hand. I can't see y'all, and this video a little bit old. I'm just getting around to editing it because be lifing, but we here. And so I hope y'all can hear my stomach making all this noise. I'm sorry if y'all can, but if you hear it, just ignore it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the tip of the lock that had detached itself, and I'm pretty much combing it out with the crochet needle. I'm just pulling it apart so that the hair is loose, and I do that for leave about an inch or so out. And as you can see on her lock that I had created in the front of her head, where we're going to be attaching these locks to, I also left about an inch at the bottom of the lock so that we'll have working room. Okay, so how much longer did I do this? Do I need to speed it up? Wait a second. Oh yes, I did speed it up. My bad, you guys. But yeah, so in just a second you're about to see here that what I do, the lock is, I put them actually together. The quality of my camera was not the best. I do apologize for that. I do my best to make another video about this. If anybody has questions, maybe I can make it with a man again, something of that nature. But yeah, so the solid lock, which is not the loose hair or whatever, I put those ends together, meaning the loose hair are gonna kind of like miss each other, if that makes sense, so that it can be like a strong lock. Like how when guys give handshakes but they go past the hand, and they grab each other's wrists. That's pretty much what we're doing with the hair, with being able to reattach the lock. So it's going to be about an inch of hair, an inch of loose hair where the lock had detached itself, an inch of loose hair on top and an inch of loose hair on the bottom, so that I can't get my words right. But anyway, yeah, so what you're going to do with the crochet needle, as you can see, I'm twisting the loose hair around the locks, and all I'm doing is constantly going in and out, in and out, in and out. And I'm also doing, I am twisting the lock in a direction, like I twist to the right clockwise. So as I go through the lock a couple times, then you'll see me twisting it, so that I can go in at a different angle, go in the lock at a different angle to pull the hair in, so that it'll be symmetrical all around. Well, that's not the word that I'm looking for. Not symmetrical, but so that every side can be accounted for with pulling hair through, so that it wouldn't be weak. But I'm just going to continue to do this over and over until I feel comfortable with the lock. At this moment, I did not have some human kinky hair to wrap around it to make it to strengthen it even more. So we only used her hair. And if you're confused, don't worry. This video, you'll be able to see me do it again. And like I said, you know, if you need me to create another video, even if it's on a mannequin, if I don't have like a live client, I can actually do it on a mannequin to show y'all a better angle. Because like I said, my camera quality wasn't that good. You know, I spent like $100 on this vlogging camera from Amazon. So yeah, and I didn't, you know, it had good reviews and everything, but as y'all can see, maybe, I don't know, it could have been the lighting and stuff, because I'm still trying to figure out like what's the best like light setting, whatever, to be able to, you know, make it not look so bright. But I pretty much explained everything on how I did it. So what I'm going to do now is stop talking here and allow y'all to just watch the rest of the video. But I thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget what Craig told Smokey. He told Smokey to come back. Okay? So put that notification bell on as well, so when I post another video, you can come back to watch this channel. Alright? I felt like I just bullied y'all. But thank you for watching.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, is so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love